As the latest addition to its revamped Galaxy A series, Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy A90 on April 10. The Galaxy A90 will be the star of the show as it will bring premium flagship-like design and hardware at mid-range price point. Some notable features include a pop-up selfie camera, triple rear camera, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. These features have been seemingly confirmed with some fresh renders of the Galaxy A90. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A90. Excited? So let's get started. The biggest USP of the Galaxy A90 is that it is expected to be Samsung's first smartphone with a pop-up selfie camera. Companies like Oppo and Vivo have embraced the motorized camera mechanism as an alternative to remove the notch. With a rising selfie camera, the display is left free of any notch or cutout, allowing for more immersive viewing experience. The renders posted by Android Pure don't really reveal the pop-up camera, but it is suggested considering there is no Infinity V or Infinity U water drop notch nor a punch hole cutout on the screen. It seems Samsung is ready to launch a premium mid-range phone with a pop-up selfie camera before OnePlus outs the OnePlus 7, which is also rumored to come with a pop-up camera. The Galaxy A90 will also be Samsung's first phone to sport a notchless Infinity display. The size of the display is still a mystery, but we do expect to see a Full HD Plus resolution. The Galaxy A90 may come with a brand new Snapdragon 700 series chipset, which is currently being called Snapdragon 7150. Samsung is also touting some major gaming performance with the Galaxy A90. The phone is expected to launch with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and at least 64GB of internal storage. The upcoming Galaxy A90 will likely ship with Android Pie with One UI on the top. It could hold a battery capacity between 3500 mAh to 4000 mAh and it will also support fast charging. You can expect more details to surface as we approach the launch of Galaxy A90 on April 10. So guys, what do you think about this Galaxy A90? Are you guys excited? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.